Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Maddie, and today I'm going to be doing a silvery, smoky, going out-ish, dramatic eye look, and I'm excited about it. So, yeah, I think that's all I have for this intro. It's gonna be fun. And be sure and subscribe so you can see all my new crazy videos. They're not really crazy, but I'm just crazy. And if you're interested in seeing my little silvery eye, then just keep watching. And she's back with a full face besides eyes, brows, and lips. So, I'm going to be doing my little silver smoky eye. I'm going to use two different palettes today. I already did my base because I didn't feel like doing everything on camera, but it's cool, it's cool. So the first palette I'm going to go in with is this Morphe 15N Night Master. It's like a really pretty palette. I haven't played with it enough as I should. That doesn't make sense. As much as I should? I don't know. I can't speak apparently. So I'm going to take my favorite like all over brush or whatever, blender brush. That's why it's so dirty, don't judge me. This is the Morphe R37, and I'm gonna take this first shade in the palette Custom and just kind of go all over the eyelids, just as a little base, kind of. I set my eyelids when I put my primer on, but I just want to make sure there's no like wetness or anything. It's just gonna make all those transition colors really blend together nicely, and they won't get caught, hopefully, you know, just all over the lid. Next, I'm going to take this little color. That's not a hard process, that's why I did it so quickly. I'm going to take the color right in the center of the palette. This is called Goals. It's kind of a cool tone brown, just as a nice transition. We're going to start that on the outer and work our way in just to, you know, build up that crease. We want some definition on our eyes, and we're going to be smoky about it, so it's fine. And I'm just using this on the same R39 brush because this part doesn't have to be super precise because it's just a nice like transition-y color. And I always hate going in with browns when I do like a silver look because it's so hard, but this is such a cool tone brown that it doesn't like look too bad. And we're gonna go in with like a gray color next, so it's not gonna be that bad, hopefully. So now that I have like less product, I'm kind of just bringing it down towards the outer corner a little bit. I focused a lot of that product on like the outer half of my eye in the crease, but I did bring some of it in the center. Just windshield wiper motions back and forth, really blending her out. I'm gonna bring it up a little bit, just with no, like there's barely any product on because I've been blending forever now. I feel like I talk really fast, I just realized that. And just circular motions on the edge here. This is a big mirror. Sorry if it's in the way, I hope it's not. Alright, so she's blended out, so I'm going to take that same color on the other eye and just start blending it in. This is going to be the most boring part of videos to watch. I don't think it's boring, but like I feel like for the viewer it's probably super boring. I really like this mirror. I don't want to block the camera though, so that's the problem. I feel like I should sing a song because, you know, it's just... Sorry, my lips were chapped. I had to smack them together for a second. Alright, bring that up. Alright, I think she's blended. Next I'm going to go in with a little bit of a smaller blending brush. She's also dirty, don't judge me. This is the Morphe M513 brush, and I'm going to go into this gray shade down here. It's like a purpley gray. It's called Hello. I'm going to work that in the crease, mostly on the outer part of my crease, to just deepen it up. Probably like the outer half, and then when I have less product on it, I'm going to start moving inward more. Just back and forth. I love makeup. I could sit at my frickin' vanity and just do makeup all day long. Wipe it off, restart. Wipe it off, restart. Right, so now that we have this like darkness right here, I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. Just the outer half to really deepen it up. You don't want to bring such dark colors, and I have brought this color a lot lower than I did the other color. The first color that we used. Well, the second color that we used, I guess. And now that I have less product on the brush, I'm just gonna keep working that. I'm using a couple different palettes today, I'm sorry about it. But you could also just always substitute colors that are similar on your own, like that you actually have at home. You don't have to like go out and buy these palettes. I will say though, this is not me like trying to get you to buy anything. I am not a Morphe affiliate. I just really like Morphe products. And this eyeshadow palette, this is the 15N, and then there's the 15D, which is the day one. And I really like these palettes. I think they have beautiful shades in them for both daytime and nighttime, depending on the one you get. I got both because I'm a crazy person. I have a lot of makeup. Just ask my mother. She'll tell you she hates the amount of makeup that I have. She thinks I need to stop buying it, and I just keep buying it because I have a problem. Sorry, Mom. Love you. Alright, so I'm happy with how this darkness looks. So now I'm going to take this little brush. This is a Luxie brush. This is the Luxie 245. It's the small shader brush. And I'm gonna wet this a little bit. I don't have my MAC Fix Plus on me right now because it's at my boyfriend's house. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. Anything will do. Sorry, my nose really itches right now. And I'm gonna just spritz my brush. And I'm gonna go in with the Kris Jenner, Kylie Jenner palette. This is just the Kylie Jenner eyeshadow palette that she came out with Kris Jenner. And I'm gonna take this silver color, and it's called Haters. I couldn't open the palette, it was really struggling for a second. And I'm just gonna take this and I'm gonna pack it all over the lid. Oh my god, this silver is just everything. I love a good silver eye. I think it's beautiful. And this is one of the best like silver eyeshadows that I've seen in a while. It's just so bright. I love a bright silver. Don't get me wrong, I love like my champagnes and my golds, but there's something about like a silver smoky eye with like a black. Oh, it's just beautiful. Don't worry, we're gonna get into the black shadows. Don't you worry. A little bit of a balm patch there. And you can build up more intensity if you want to. I'm just putting the amount that I want on there. I love this silver. Silver's such a great color. Now that I've brightened up my eye a shit ton, I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other eye. Wow. And wetting it with Fix Plus or any kind of, you could literally wet it with water, lick it, I don't care what you do with it. It's just gonna help with fallout and kind of make it stick to your eye and the brush a lot better. Like this has fallout on the, you can see there's fallout where I'm taking the shadow out of. So it's nice with the like Fix Plus or just like wetting of the brush to just keep it contained, and it's not gonna get all over your face since I already did my base. I love this silver. Wow. I only did this really on like the first third of my eye because we're gonna put a black shadow at the outer V, and I'm real excited about it. Wow, can I blend eyeshadow with my mouth closed, please? And thank you. This is a beautiful silver. Okay, so now I'm going to take a really tiny brush because I don't want to go crazy with the black. This is a, no, I don't want to use this one. I think I'm going to use this little guy. This is a Morphe E17, and I'm going to take my Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe also, sorry. And I'm going to take the black color that's in here. I don't have the color card on me right now, so. And I'm going in with a light hand because you don't want to go crazy with black. And I'm going to stamp it on here first and then smoke it out. So we're going to stamp and then smoke. I'm gonna focus really trying to get that on the outer V as opposed to going crazy all over the eyelid. You don't want it to go super crazy. I make the ugliest faces when I do eyeshadow. Sorry. So on the top there, I went over a little bit too far over that I would like to. So I'm just gonna take that small little shader brush again, and I'm gonna take the silver, and I'm just going to pack it right back up and intensify that silver. You can always fix your mistakes. It's possible, I promise. All right. So now it kind of looks like a little bit of a gradient effect too, which is nice about it. Close your mouth, Maddie. Okay, so this is what we have over here. I'm gonna take that black color again, get most of the excess off, and start stamping her in there, right at this outer part of my eyeball. Whenever I do eyeshadow, I feel like one eye always looks better than the other, and for some reason it's always this eye that looks better. Watch, I'm gonna mess it up so bad now that I said that. Sorry, my phone just went off. It's sitting in front of me. Didn't mean it. And again, I'm just gonna take a little bit more of that silver color and pack it back in the center there. Just right in here. And I'm gonna go back in with that little, okay, if I can grab it. This is again, the M513 brush, and I'm gonna go back into that silverish dark color. And let me get the name of it. I have to open it up back up. That color Hello, just a little bit of it, and just blend some more. Just so we're all blended out. Get that edge. And this I'm focusing a lot just on the outer half so that we don't want to get that dark black color on the inner half. That's going to look a little cray-cray. So I'm just putting it on the outer V and then like the first half or the outer half of my eye. And just blending and blending and blending. Just to make sure we don't have any harsh lines. You don't want that. So you can blend until you're happy with the way that it looks. I like this smoky, kind of messy-ish look. It's kind of what I'm going for here. So this is how I'm gonna keep my eye look. I'm gonna put some eyebrows on because it looks a little crazy without any eyebrows. And then I will be back to finish off my eyes. Put my brows on. They look pretty good if I do say so myself. So now I'm gonna go in and we're just gonna do a little bit on the lower lash line, nothing too crazy. All I'm really gonna take is at first I'm just gonna take that gold shade, that brown shade, and go all under here, just to, you know, blend everything together. I like didn't finish my sentence. Cool, it's fine. And I'm gonna take that Hello shade and just do the outer edge here. eyes always get so red after that. Anyway, now I'm just gonna do a little bit of winged liner. I suck at it, so don't judge me. I'm gonna try and do two different, I'm literally gonna do a different eyeliner on both eyes because I wanna see which one I like better. It's fine. I'm gonna get really close to the mirror, I'm sorry about it. Just a little baby wing. So I'm gonna try a different eyeliner on this side and see if I like it any better. I don't know which one I like better. I don't know which one I like better. I can't really tell. I messed up over here, but we're just gonna let it be. It's fine. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes. My boyfriend thinks that this hurts and that I'm like torturing myself every time I do this. It's great. I love it. It's hilarious to me. Next, I'm gonna go with my favorite mascara as of late. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. This stuff is fantastic. I was gonna get eyelash extensions and then I started using this mascara. It's not even a joke. I feel like I don't breathe when I do mascara. Is that just a me problem? Probably, but... like, look at that. That's so good for a drugstore mascara. I'm obsessed. Now that I have my lashes on, I'm just going to throw a little bit of mascara. This is the Rimmel Lash Accelerator. I'm going to put this on the bottom of the lash line. Alright. Last thing I'm going to do is lips, and I'm just going to do my favorite little lip combo as of late. This is the Maybelline Lip Sensational in 925 Maple Kiss. I love this. I lost it for the longest time and I could not find it. And I literally just found it yesterday. This is the color Sensational, not Lip Sensational. I think I said Lip Sensational. And then I'm just going to take the Fenty Beauty Fenty Glow Gloss Bomb right over the top of it. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy this little smoky, silvery eyeshadow look. I think it's very fun and very easy to do, especially for like a night out. I think this is beautiful. And to throw on some like nice false lashes and really amp up the drama. I am loving this look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and subscribe before you leave for more silly noises from me, I guess. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.